All right.
Let me get it. Okay, let me go. Are we ready for this shit?
One time. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jay. Yeah, I'm just gonna make this a quick video today. I'm not even gonna weigh in today just because I can't be bothered, man. I'm exhausted. I didn't sleep well. I'm just chilling today. I'm just gonna be resting. Yeah, the thing you will see next is my one meal that I eat today. I don't even know what it's gonna be, but I'm just gonna chill out a little bit longer. And I'll step on the scale and we'll hit a big workout tomorrow. But today we just chilling. All right, more love, more success. This is what I'm having for dinner. We got some chicken. This is 730 calories, 85 grams of protein. I'm not really sure what the nuggets, just a couple bananas. I haven't done much today. I'm just gonna eat this and chill. All right, more love, more success.